How to connect Coinbase to TradingView. The first things first is open up your TradingView.com's official site account and make sure that you're currently on your TradingView dashboard. Now what you want to do next is you must be connected to any symbol. So once you're connected to any symbol, what you want to do is just to head over directly to the trading panel to open up the trading panel. Now in here, if you don't have these options, just simply choose on brokers or all brokers so that you will have access to their trusted brokers. Now let's just maximize this, and then in here just simply choose and locate Coinbase Advance. Once you click on that, it will automatically pop out and will be asking you to connect your Coinbase account to your TradingView account. Once you hit on connect, you will be redirected to log into your Coinbase account, and you should be able to connect your Coinbase to TradingView account without any problems.